Hey folks, it's Dan here. I am gonna be unboxing my new drone for testing, and it came today in the mail. So as you can see, and we're gonna open up the box and check out this DEERC D50 drone for testing. So let's open the box. So here we got the DEERC D50 drone, 2K HD camera, and if I would test this drone out by Holy Stone, so I'm gonna open it up. Manual for it, which I will be studying before I fly the drone. It looks like it has a nice controller. Let's see if it's a internal charge, like my HS165. It's got a lot of buttons on it. It looks like it takes batteries. So we'll open that up later. And it looks like it comes with 2 batteries. And oh, and here's the phone holder. Okay, so that probably gets hooked in there. Okay, and we got the drone pieces and the actual drone, which it's not that heavy, and it looks like it's got an adjustable camera on it, a manual adjust. So we'll have to see that, see how well that works. Yep, it's a manual adjust camera. Well, that's neat. All right. The blades are solid blades. It's not foldable. They give you what, extra props, it looks like, a charger cord, or 2 charger cords, it looks like, maybe. All right. And propeller protectors, which I don't know if I'll use, because if you get caught up in a tree, they kind of hook on tree branches, and then you have to get your drone out of the tree. So, and then it looks like they got the landing legs for the drone. It's unboxed. I will charge the batteries and get everything put together, and we'll start to test this a little later today. So I'll be back.